There is a small country that competes with all of these powerful countries. And I'll show you how it competes, track and field. If you take the 5 fastest men in history, 3 are from Jamaica. Does that even make sense? And then if you want to double the trouble, move over to the women. Out of the top 5, we have 2 food. Fast food in Jamaica were ranked above the rest of fast food in the world. Isn't that crazy? So people will leave from, and I don't want to give any free ads, but people will leave from New York and come to Jamaica to buy the same food they have in New York, because in Jamaica, the one we have is better than everybody else's. When you go and you type in the top 100 restaurants in the world, there is one of them, Norma on the Terrace. But I want to go to Lang, I want you to go to the Urban Dictionary and just look for the contribution of Jamaican words to youth culture worldwide. And then we can move to the area of governance. And Carlstone immediately pops into my head. I don't know if you've noticed that a lot of places you go in the world and you begin to look at political anthropology or political sociology or so forth, suddenly this one Jamaican pops up in your textbook. If you move now to the area of philosophy, Marcus Garvey. I don't know how many persons actually take time out to reflect on how powerful that name is. I have been to 90 odd countries in this world, and I can tell you straight up, as slender as you think or lanky as you think I am, I lose weight if I'm in any country for more than 9 months. 9 months is my barrier. Need to come back.